The Chapter 9 Hypothesis Traditional Method 2 Sample Test. Alright, and this information is from sbnation.com, in case you were wondering. Alright, so a random sample at the NFL Combine bench press is shown below. 10 cornerbacks and 10 defensive ends were chosen at random. If a significance level is 0.05, can it be concluded that the two positions have a difference in variation? Use the traditional method. Okay, so for our hypothesis, we're going to do variance 1 is equal to variance 2. And for the null, we will do that variance 1 is not equal to variance 2. And now we are going to find our critical values, going to stat list editor using inverse F. So we will take out your TI-89 and use inverse F. And we're going to put for the left side 0.025, for the right 0.975, because we take half of the 0.05 significance level from either side. And of course, for our degrees of freedom, it's 9 for each of them, because both cornerbacks and defensive ends, there's a sample of 10 for each. And when you plug these values into your calculator, you will get 0.244 and 4.026. And we could enter these into our little graph up here. Alright, and now to find our t-value, we're going to do the standard deviation of 1 over the standard deviation of 2. And to find these standard deviations, you just go to F for 1-bar stats for each of the samples. So when you enter the formula S1 over S2, you end up with values of 1.616 and 1.114, and you square both these values, and you end up with 2.10. And once we get that value, we could put it in our graph. So since it's not in the shaded region, we will not reject the null hypothesis. So do not reject this. And then of course we have to finish with a statement. And for the statement, just put something along the lines of this. Okay, that'll wrap up our video for today. Thank you.